Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on vacation mode on the Depop app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're starting to sell on Depop and you want to go ahead and turn on vacation mode. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, we're first going to go ahead and log on to the Depop app. Next, you're going to click on My Depop on the bottom right hand corner. Afterwards, you're going to scroll down underneath where it says settings, and then you're going to see an option that says vacation mode. So click on vacation mode, and then click on turn on vacation mode. So as you can see, it says that your shop is visible, but buyers can't buy anything right now, and that it automatically turns off after 7 days. And then you could also turn it off at any time. So let's say that your trip gets cut short, maybe you only need it to be turned on for 3 days. You could actually go ahead and turn off vacation mode manually through this option as well. Now, if you are going on vacation for longer than a week, just remember that you are going to have to return this back on if it does automatically turn back off. So with Depop, the max limit that they allow for vacation mode is 7 days. But after that 7 days is up, you can go ahead and return it back on and it should go ahead and turn back on. What I've done before in the past is that I'd say like 2 days before vacation mode actually turns back off, I'll actually go ahead and manually turn it back off and then turn it back on so that I add an additional 7 days out of the 5 days that's been used. So I hope that makes sense as far as, making sure that your shop isn't open, or let's say that someone buys and you're not available to ship. This is going to come really in handy. It's still going to make your shop visible. And then it's also just keep in mind that it's going to automatically turn off after 7 days. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and turn off vacation mode or turn on vacation mode on the Depop app. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.